Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. Making this video as a daily recap, market recap. So let's get started. I made the video yesterday, and the first thing that I showed is gold. Was gold, right? And it's still there. The chart is still good, and this is what happened so far to that chart. That when I made the chart, we were sitting at this just above this yellow line, 3160. Excuse me, 3168. So I said it may drop to the TL, or maybe somewhere in between is gonna bounce, and that's exactly what happened. It came down here, 3120, I guess, right, and then bounced, and then it went up to 3250 in a straight line. If you look at the 500 box size chart, it looks like this, nice and clean, right? So I had my entry here exactly. See, this is how you're supposed to. If you have a level and if you expected a turn, look for something like this, like a small wave 1 and 2 kind of thing, right? So we call ABC fashion, ABC pattern. So when that happened around 50%, 61%, you're expecting that a bounce, something like that, then you can take it. So remember, in my last video, I said that I take trades without the setup as well. But I don't show them, I don't teach them, and that's how it is, right? But this is not the long setup according to my IV system, but it was one of those things that I do from the top or bottom, right? Buying the bottom and selling the top kind of thing. I was expecting, and when I saw this one, I took it and I closed it already, and now it went up all the way there to 30 to 40, 50 actually. But this was the level that need to stop. So I stopped it, and now we're dropping. So the question is that how far? Maybe this is wave one going to the upside. If you look at this chart again, not the one, this one, right? So if this is a correction, some kind of correction, A, B, C, right? This is definitely a correction, but what happened in the background is confusing. So this could be wave 1 and then 2 and then, but 3 is, I don't know if this is 3 compared to this wave 1. So whatever. But this is either wave 4 or wave B, a nice, decent correction. And if we are going to the upside, we're going to go in 5 waves. So that could be like wave 1, and then we might be able to go down for wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5. That would be doing wave 1 of a higher degree, and then come down for wave 2, and then we go for wave 3, and then 4, and then 5, blah, 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 right? So this is exactly what's happening. Wave 4, I said it might be some like this, right? So we went down a lot here, but this could be just one leg. And then we go up there, and then we come down here, and a lot can happen here. So wave 4 is still underway, I think. And this is, like I said, on a 4-hour chart, it's a different story. This could be wave A, and then we go to A, B, C, then B, and then C. A lot can happen here. But the idea is that the trend is to the upside right now, right? It's as it is was the upside, and then after the correction, we are going up again. So staying on the long side is much better, right? And then we go long here, and then wait for the dip, and then go long, wait for the dip, and go long, stuff like that. So if I think when I see that wave 1 is finished and then wave 2 also is finished, then I'll do it again and then make the chart, redo it. But I'm not sure that if wave 1 is finished, it's just a dip, and then we might go a little bit more to the upside. But you can see that this is very close to this low here, right? So this 32.45, and what the heck was that? This one. This is the low of 59.97, so that's almost 60, 30 to 60. So we went as far as 52, 32, 52, and that was 60. So just below that, we drop again, and we may be coming down to this low here, right? Let me show you on a little bit of bigger chart here. You can see this one. It's 32.60 is right there. So we went there, very close to that, but above 32.45. Now coming down, and we are at 32.22, right? Umar took a short, and then to 32.32, and then I think is still in there, is expecting something here. So we have this one, then we have this one, then we have this one. So we may come down if this is wave 1, right? So if you are short, then hold on to it on sit on a break even and see if you can come down here and here. Then we can close that, right? And then from there, maybe, or maybe this high is very important as well, right? Or to be honest with you, maybe it seems straight up like 61%, right? Of this rise, if this is wave one is finished. So we can go down here to, 50, 61, or 78%, whatever, then go up again, right? So this is how gold is behaving right now. Now let's go and take a look. Important thing is yen index. Now yen index, I just drank coffee and I start sweating. So let me take the shirt off. Omar, is AC high again or what? Why am I sweating? Go check it. You play around with that too much. Okay, so yen index. This is the weekly chart, and this is what I think that it's probably going to be dropping if we go down, below this level here and under this tier, right? So nice candle so far, and if we end up this candle like this today, so Friday already started, so it's about to start. It's Thursday, 10 p.m., 10:30. So one more day, and if we end up like this here, then we can drop, and then all yen pair may be going down. But what they are doing right now is important. I want to show you the 20-minute chart. Pretty chart, huh? Pretty messed up. Oh, come on, man. Go get out of there. Okay. Okay. This one, you can see here that this is what's happening here. So far, so we dropped from this 70s, this area, right? Big move to the upside. So I was expecting, and then yes, that they did, and I had my shorts, right? Now it is into this area, and if you pull the fib, this is 69.41. There was another one, 69.18. Where the heck? Oh, right there. So these are right there. And let me see. I think it was already touched. Why they're not showing here? Maybe it is because 69.32, 60, whatever. Let me see here. Right. Yeah. See, this is the correct chart. When you switch the profile, you have to, refresh these charts. So 20 minutes, you can clearly see that we are all the way here. Pull the fib, and you will see that we already touched the 61%, right? So 61%, and what I want to show here is this, that you also have okay, so this is pivot S1. Daily pivot is this. This is S1 is also right there. So we are sitting there. So usually after that, if this area holds 68, 69.18, and just below that 69.14, strong area. So we may be able to go. This is a pretty extended move, right? So this one, look at this. This one, after this, you have a drop. This one, this big move, and then retracement. This extension, then retracement. So now maybe we're not going to make the extension, but we may go like in yesterday's video, I explained that after the turn happened in two different ways. Extension after the extension. Like, for example, this is an extension, and then it comes down straight here. It may make an extension to that. That would be definitely a change of direction, and then it will retrace and then drop and then again, right? Or what it does is that, it is the extension, but this is a retracement to this, but it's going to go up there and make a retracement to this, and then make the extension to this, and then start dropping. So if it goes there to the upside, and in doing that, it makes some kind of harmonic pattern. In this case, if we can, we understand that it is 61% is already touched. So then usually it goes back to 23% line, then comes to 78. But if it is going to make the turn right? The direction need to change, the trend need to change, then this failed girdle will bounce a little bit and then drop. It will be a failed girdle and we will end up making an extension to this move. Kind of like a butterfly or a mixed pattern, right? From 61, then 23, then 78, but then 78 may go back to 38 and then drop. That would be a butterfly pattern. If we don't go to 38 and then without going 38 drop, then that could be like, something, but direction will change. So this is what I think, looking at the weekly chart, that we might be changing direction because currently we're going to the upside, right? Bullish candle and retracement, then again bullish, then again extension bullish weekly, and then again, we end up making this candle higher than the previous, so bullish, but now powerfully coming to the downside. So let's see if we are going to make the change. This is what's going to happen. The main number to watch is 69.41. If we can stay below that, we can be going to the downside. And this is how we're going to be now. But right now, I think that this area might hold, might not guarantee, right? I'm watching the 10-minute chart on this, by the way, and which is, I don't have it here. And maybe I can make one quickly. And this, I have a 7-minute chart. But it's useless. It's gonna be refreshed, so forget about that. So I don't want it. But I'm on the other computer. I'm where the indexes are. I'm watching that, and it is very nicely, and then making a bullish candle on a 10-minute chart, 10 box size. Yen index is very powerful, so you want to see early action, right? So instead of 15 or 20, I make it 10 so that I can see that okay, the turn is happening already in the index. So I will look into the pairs. Now, if we are bouncing, then all yen pairs should be going to the upside. So let's take a look at what we have in yen pairs. So now USD yen, it came down here. I said we're gonna go up here and then drop. So we went up a little bit, or not all the way there, and then it came down here. This area is very bad. I mean, very big area, not bad, but very big area. It's a 45.07. So this one can give us a bounce if yen index start to go to the upside, as we just saw. Right. So this is one of the setup that, pay attention to this. I'm going to post these charts, right, on the area on my website, and it is like before and after charts. So I'll post all the before charts over there, and I'll give you the link for that page. So that way, instead of, Telegram, a lot of people are not connected to my Telegram. I don't know why, but if they're not watching the Telegram, then at least you can just get it from that page, right? So just remember that if you watch the video, the link I will send. Omar will send that link as well in the email. So that email goes to everyone. Plus, I will send that link to post on the Telegram time to time. So you can just go whenever I put that link on the Telegram, that that there is another chart setup, 40-minute chart setup. So you just click the link, and then you can see not only that, but more of the previous one as well, right? So you end up seeing a lot more than usual, and you can pick up some very, very decent charts and setups from there. Okay, so this one and the others I'll post on the website, and then I'll post the link in the Telegram instead of the chart. On the website, you can click on the chart, and then it will become much bigger and clear to see, right? So this is how one of the setup that I see, that we are already 50%, and then this area just below is 61%. We may drop to that, may not, right? Or even like 4444. So what do we wait for? What do? We wait for a reversal candle, and then for the entry. So no worry whatsoever that, oh my God, I'm gonna miss this. No, you're not missing anything, and you're not. But it is just a safety measure, that if unless because we don't know, we are not sure that it's gonna bounce from here, right? It can drop here, even or more, right? What the heck is that? I was expecting that. I was going to show you just pound Aussie. Let me just show you real quick that this is what's happening, and this is my setup here. That see, it went all the way to 127. See that? So after 61 and then 38, weird, but it's not a proper harmonic pattern. But extension level 127 is hit, reversal candle is done. So ready for a short. Okay, be ready. We're gonna get the short here, and Um, this is pound Aussie, by the way. Okay, so this is one of the chart that I will be posting on that website, and you're gonna get it from there. Uh, Similarly, Euro Aussie as well. Euro Aussie, see, it is that drop here, 61%. Now this pullback, it's not a pullback, it's extension actually. And how much is that? Exactly to the pip 127 touch, right? So we have a very solid case of this thing is 78, small dip, and then 127. So we have 61% and 127, and we are posting a reversal candle here. So another short opportunity coming from this chart, right? So I'm showing you because it's a lot of work that I need to go big charts one by one. So if I'm making a video, and then be aware, and short in Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Euro Aussie, as soon as this candle ended, this Euro Aussie will start beeping as well, right? So we have these two here, and then back to the yen pair. So your yen index going up, and then this gonna bounce from 45.07. So long entry here. Look for the 7-minute long, and euro yen. Look at this beautiful drop all the way here, right? And then from here to here, pull the fib, and you can see that it is 61%, and this is 78%. So we almost touch 78%. But what important is this level. This is a huge level. It's a monthly high. Completely freestanding building. It's like 6242. It's like a mountain, Mount Everest, right? So very important number. So if we're gonna bounce from here, which we are now, you can see that the price is right here. So this candle will turn into a reversal candle, and after that, look for long, at least going back to maybe 38%, or 23% line is coming exactly at 6430. Very nice level. 38% is also this level, right? So one of these level, but I would say that this level that will be making a nice head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the high, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and drop. So let's see if we can go up on this one as well, right? So this is another one, pound yen, doing the same thing. Nice big drop. I had a couple of big trades from these. I even have this one here, from here to here. It's 135 pip trade. But now I'm gonna be looking for long, right? So these are the yen pairs. Another yen pair setup you will see. I posted on the Telegram the CAD yen. I posted that it is like extension 127, so it's gonna drop. It drop all the way, right? And I just posted the new chart saying that now we're gonna bounce from here and then go back again. Same kind of thing, head and shoulder between 38 to 23. It can go there and make like a head and shoulder pattern. So yen index moving to the upside, all yen are going to be moving to the upside. So CAD yen also long, and Aussie yen, beautiful setup here as well. Flip from here to here, you can see it's 78%. This is the level. This rising TL. TL may be like a little bit up down or whatever, if it's touching or not, but very close. And this is the conjunction area that before. So you have a lot of pending orders left here, right? In area like that. So when the price comes down in this, and then it gets those pending orders gets activated. So it's gonna bounce, and then maybe from 78 at least expect to 38%, or maybe 23%, something like that. So all yen pair to the upside, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. See, Euro Aussie also make the short here. So where the heck is that? Okay, Euro Aussie also completed see, reversal candle is completed, and the red candle is underway. So that is also a very strong sign that Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie both going down from after hitting the extension 127, right? And all yen pairs are about to go to the upside. So be ready, and whoever some of you already bought that CTS6, right? So just put it on the 7-minute chart. As soon as the 7-minute chart, you see that becoming bullish, put that thing over there. Bullish means that if the price is maybe at least yellow line and black line going above the red, put that EA there, make it long only, in yen pairs and short only in euro Aussie pound Aussie. And you can pick up some decent trades from these 4 or 5 setups, right? For Friday, right? Even though Friday is, I used to tell you that, it's dangerous, but more and more when I'm looking into these yen pairs and Aussie pairs at the beginning of the, like I explained yesterday, right? The technique that, when the session open, and then you see that where your 40-minute is pointing, and if it in that direction, that price goes above or below the daily open, and then give you the setup, that is a gold mine that will go to the distance, and then pay attention and do your calculation. Like this one here, for example, Parnazi, daily range is 202, right? Bigger than the pound yen. So yesterday alone, it did 214, and I had a very nice long in there as well. I caught this one. But all you gotta do is that when you have a reversal candle, pay attention what is happening after that. See, red candle is coming down here, and then we have a reversal candle and the blue candle. I was looking, and then I put my EA there, and EA took the entry, and then went all the way. So let me show you. This is exactly what I'm doing in every single trade that I'm taking, and I'm keep showing you left and right. Where the heck is pound Aussie? See this pound Aussie? Oops. You see that? That's what happened. We were here. All of a sudden, it goes up. And when you see that, yeah, okay, there's a reversal candle ended up, put the EA there. When you put the EA, it will take it this one, not this one, then this one, or this one, or this one. And something, you're going to catch something. Right? So Paranazi is going up long today, end up. Now we are dropping. So is it bullish right now or bearish? On a 7-minute, it's still bullish. So I'm waiting for it to go down, and then like this turn happen here, it's gonna happen here, and then after that you're gonna have multiple entries, and then EA will take it. If you don't have the EA, then I would suggest that take it and take advantage of that, because it is in the monthly subscription now. It's available, right? I'm not selling it in a monthly subscription, but it is available to use it. You can use it easily, and as long as you have the subscription, it will work on your computer, right? So this thing will change the CDS6. It will change your trading, believe me. This is just showing you so many pairs that are ready to give you the entries. Maybe half of them, if they give you the entry, you will end up more than 200 pips for Friday. Trust me. That's what's happening, and I'm keep doing. Not only pound Aussie, look, Euro Aussie did the same thing, and I had that too. Whoops. Where's the Euro Aussie thingy? See, 90 pip, all the way here. It was actually he recorded it. Omar, didn't you record the other chart for more than 90 pip? No, that was Aussie yen. Yeah. So this one, you see that Euro Aussie, simply all the way 90 pip. This is what happened. It was bearish here. The first bullish candle, and then if you are watching and trying to do it manually, you may get second thoughts, or you may like it or may not like it, and you may not pull the trigger. But EA don't wait, right? All the conditions are met, and boom, it opens the trade. So this one is a very good entry. This was a solid entry, and then take it from there. Now they are going to reverse, and just I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'll show you my trades the following day. Maybe I'll make the video on Friday night, and then I'll show you the short trades on Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and long in all yen pairs. I have yen short, like for example Euro Aussie, Euro yen. I just showed you. Look, beautiful, beautiful. That's 20-minute entry. This was a 7-minute, but I got the 20-minute entry here, and then all 135 pip to the downside. If it's gonna go to the upside, first entry was 7. If 7 survive all the way, if not 7 cash out, then take the 20-minute entry and go to the upside. That's how it is. Again and again and again. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. All right. So this is it for now. I'm gonna quickly send you the recording, and we take it from there. And I'll make the video at the end of the Friday again to show you what happened in gold and all of that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys there. Stuff.